Today's competitive food manufacturing landscape requires ingredients that enhance both quality and efficiency. In this regard, cornstarch has emerged as an invaluable ingredient in food production, elevating food products in manufacturing facilities across the globe. From thickening sauces to stabilizing dairy products, and from texturizing baked goods to extending shelf life, cornstarch delivers consistent results that consumers expect in quality and mouthfeel. The science behind using cornstarch is straightforward yet effective. Its thickening abilities create ideal viscosity in sauces, soups, and gravies. Its neutral flavor profile preserves your product's intended taste while improving texture. At the same time, baked goods retain moisture longer, and confectionery products achieve the perfect consistency that keeps customers coming back. From a business perspective, cornstarch offers cost-effectiveness compared to many alternatives. Available year-round, it ensures supply chain stability and predictable pricing, factors that would directly impact your bottom line. Additionally, for manufacturers focused on clean labels, cornstarch is an ideal solution. It is plant-based, gluten-free, and provides necessary functionality while meeting consumer demands for recognizable ingredients they trust. And with today's advancements in sustainable sourcing, cornstarch can support your environmental initiatives and responsible manufacturing practices. Corn-to-cornstarch processing uses all parts of the corn kernel to minimize waste, lowering your carbon footprint and helping manufacturers meet their environmental goals while appealing to eco-conscious consumers. To learn more about how cornstarch can elevate your food products, visit our website or contact us for customized solutions and product expertise.